Day one versus Notion. Which note-taking app is better? Choosing the right note-taking app can transform how you organize and recall information without feeling overwhelmed. We'll look at Day one and Notion, two powerful but different options. Day one and Notion both help capture thoughts and ideas, but their core difference lies in focus. Day one centers on journaling with a simple, elegant interface, while Notion offers a flexible workspace for notes, databases, and project management. Day one is a dedicated journaling app designed to make daily writing effortless and enjoyable. It works by providing a clean, distraction-free interface where users can quickly create entries enriched with photos, audio, and location data. Its strengths include automatic metadata tagging, seamless syncing across devices, and strong privacy features like end-to-end encryption. Day one also supports reminders, templates, and rich text formatting, making it easy to build a consistent journaling habit. However, it is less customizable for complex workflows and doesn't support collaborative editing or extensive project management features. This app is ideal for users focused on personal journaling, reflective writing, or anyone wanting a beautiful, simple way to document life moments without managing multiple types of content. Notion is a versatile, all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, task management, databases, and collaboration tools. It works through customizable pages and blocks, allowing users to create anything from simple notes to complex project trackers. Notion's strengths lie in its flexibility, powerful integrations, and team collaboration features, including real-time editing and comments. It supports embedding multimedia, tables, calendars, and Kanban boards, making it a strong choice for managing both personal and professional workflows. However, Notion's interface can be overwhelming for new users, and its offline functionality is limited compared to dedicated apps. It requires more setup time to tailor to individual needs. Notion is best suited for users who want a comprehensive productivity tool that goes beyond note-taking, especially teams or individuals managing multiple projects and data types. Day one excels as a focused journaling app, perfect for users who want a straightforward, elegant space to capture daily thoughts and memories with minimal setup. It shines in privacy and ease of use, but lacks collaboration and advanced customization. Notion, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for those needing an all-in-one solution. Its flexibility supports complex workflows, team collaboration, and diverse content types, but comes with a steeper learning curve and less offline reliability. For example, a solo writer or diary keeper will appreciate Day one's simplicity and security, while a project manager or knowledge worker benefits from Notion's robust organizational tools. The trade-off is between a specialized journaling experience and a multi-purpose productivity platform. Choose Day one if you want an elegant, secure journaling app focused on personal reflection without the distractions of complex features. Opt for Notion if you need a flexible, all-in-one workspace that handles notes, projects, and collaboration. Its versatility makes it ideal for managing diverse workflows, especially in team environments. Both apps excel in their domains, so pick based on your primary note